Does the fencing out rule prevent trespassing animals? Imagine a farm where animals roam freely, but the landowner has a special rule to keep them out. It might sound strange, but this is part of how some states handle animal trespassing. The fencing out rule requires landowners, especially farmers or crop growers, to build and keep a legal fence around their property. If they do this correctly, it can stop animals like cattle or horses from wandering onto their land and causing damage. The law says that if the fence is built to certain standards and is in good shape, then animals that break through are considered trespassers. The landowner can then ask for compensation for any damage caused by these animals. But if the fence isn't built properly or isn't maintained, the landowner usually cannot claim damages. This puts the responsibility on the landowner to make sure their fence is up to legal standards. In some states, a lawful fence might be a sturdy 3-strand barbed wire fence with posts spaced at specific intervals. These fences are designed to contain typical from animals like cows and horses. If the fence is in good repair and animals still escape, the owner of the animals might be held liable for damages. But if a storm or some other act of nature causes animals to escape, the owner might not be responsible, even if the fence was lawful and well-maintained. This rule mainly covers property damage, not personal injuries. It's a way to shift the burden onto the landowner to prevent animals from wandering onto others' land. Interestingly, some states have unique rules about what counts as a lawful fence or how disputes are settled. Sometimes local officials called fence viewers are involved to decide if the fence meets legal standards or if damages should be paid. So, does the fencing out rule stop trespassing animals? It can, if the landowner builds and keeps a proper fence. But if they don't, the animals can still get in, and the law won't protect the landowner from damages. This creates a quirky legal setup where landowners must be proactive about fencing, making it a fascinating part of livestock and property laws across America.